Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I'm doing a review for VMoneySlimes, some iconic slimes in this review, so I'm so excited to share them all with you guys. Without further ado, let's jump into it. I did purchase all of these slimes with my own money, and if you would like to purchase these slimes, the link will be down below. First up, I have Mickey D's, and this is the only slime that came spilled. All of the others were perfectly alright. This one was just a little dented, but that is due to shipping. It's totally not Vicky's fault at all. I did salvage the slime. It was perfectly alright. There was just a little bit of spillage. So for this 6-ounce slime, the scent is really nice. It's scented a pineapple-y scent, or like a fruity, I think it's pineapple. It is a really glossy slime that makes great bubble pops. I really love the foam beads and red foam squares. They really add to the slime. Next up, I have Caking in My Boots, and all of these slimes are 6 ounces. The scent it reminds me of when you walk into a grocery store, like the baked goods section. I don't know what scent it is, but it reminds me of that for some reason. Kind of like icing, I don't know, I'm not really sure. But it smells really good. And the texture is the same as the previous slime. All of the slimes have the same texture, but this one has more foam beads than the last. But the base slime is the same. Comment down below what slime shop I should review next. I have tons of slime reviews and my whole playlist will be linked down below if you want to check that out. Next, I have Clicky Vicky, a real iconic slime. So this is a very glossy slime, and I know that Vicki, I read somewhere that she says that it's not really for stretching and it's made for like poking, but my slime was actually really stretchy and not as thick as I thought it would be from the videos. It looks super thick. Maybe I need to activate it more, but it wasn't as thick as I was thinking, because mine still stretched really nicely no matter how much I activated it. So I thought this was a really nice glossy slime to play with. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like and share with your friends. Next up, I have Your Mom. So this slime has some really gorgeous purple beads in there, and this scent is amazing. I am a sucker for this slime because I love purple and I love any cereal milk scent, so this is perfect for me. It reminds me of Caking in My Boots because it is the same texture and they both have foam beads, but these ones are larger. So I really like this slime as well. All of the slimes are the same texture. One thing to note is that due to the weather, all of the slimes did take a while to activate. So I recommend these slimes if you know what you're doing, but maybe for a beginner with slime, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this texture because it does melt in shipping due to the heat. Last, but certainly not least, I have the most iconic slime ever, Clicky Vicky. So this slime is, again, 6 ounces. It is really clicky and stretchy, and the bubble pops are amazing. My slime, it was not as holdable, but I think I have to activate it a little bit more for it to become as thick as it can be. But the slime did come unmixed, which is very cool because usually slimes don't stay unmixed during shipping, and the color is really gorgeous. Overall, all of the slimes have the same texture. The scents are really nice, and the colors and add-ins, the different foam beads and everything, really go well with the slimes. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye!